Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be installing your AWS CLI. This is great for like practice labs, and of course, if you don't have access to AWS console or the free tier has expired, this is another great way to just have it locally on your machine. You can find the documentation here at AWS's documentation page. And you just choose your operating system and follow the instructions accordingly. So I'm going to install it on a Linux machine here and just follow the instructions. So these are the commands I'm going to be using. But before that, I want to go ahead and try just to see that I don't have the command. I don't have the program, right? So now I'm going to curl that. Okay. This is a new CLI I just got, so I haven't installed a lot of the necessary tools yet. Apologies for that. But there you go. I think... Let's do that again. Okay, now it's working. And let's do... Okay. And to double check to see that it was installed, I'm just gonna check the version. And there you go. The latest version. So that's it. That's all you gotta do to get AWS CLI locally into your own machine. Thank you for watching.